Hello, this is Tony of Tony's Music and also the administrator on Toonly and Toonly PNGs. I'm going to start off with a new video and it's about TVs and zooming. Right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to get a living room picture first for the background. We get one in a minute. It's there somewhere, I've got to find it, I missed it. Back up a bit. There it is. Okay. There's the living room picture. Now I want to go into objects. Get a TV. About time I bought one. There we go. And we'll just put that TV, it's like a monitor out really, but it's a TV. Okay, and then we need green screen. No, just green, that should cover it. Right, so there's a green screen there. I'll just put that there. That's way too big, so I just have to cut it right down. It's made big on purpose because we don't know what you're going to use it for, so I've done this myself for Toonly use, but you can make your own of these. All it is just a green rectangle. What I'm going to do is just going to make the TV a little bigger so it covers the green screen like that. That's it now, the green screen is too small. There you go, put it in the middle. That's alright. So that's where your picture's going to come in there. Right, now what we need to do is just make this longer and then make all these longer as well, make them up to the end of there like that. That's what we'll do. Right, do that. Right, now what we need to do next is the key frames on the camera. Right, so first of all we want to get to about, say, 4 seconds of it normal size. So we go there, and from there we want to go to, say, 6 seconds, from 4 seconds to 6 seconds, where it zooms down. So 4 seconds there, so 6 seconds there, we want to zoom down to about the size of the TV. Bring it down a little bit more. Bring it down a bit more. That's roughly about right. As much as you want it really, something like that. Yeah? Right, so that's that. Then we want to keep it like that for a while. Go to about 11. And that one's got to be the same, so we're going to push it right back down there, about a bit more than that. That's about roughly about the same, isn't it? Let's just check. Slightly bigger than that one, so it needs to come out a little bit. Don't want it to be moving too much, so don't need to. Yeah, it's fine. Right, now then we're going to go to say 12.5 seconds. About here. Then. Oh dear. Right, so there. So that's from there to there, it's okay. Then from there to there, it's going to go bigger. So we go. That's okay to there. So that means you're going to watch the film for that long. Then from there to there, it's going to go right up here. That's the size, and it'll be normal size then. Right, so we'll just preview that and just see how it goes. Right, you can see the whole screen. Now it's going into the TV so you can watch the film. And then after a bit it comes back out. That's it, right? If you don't want the things popping off, you can use take the bounce to instant on all of them. like that. and that 2 instant as well. Oh no, what's the default now? Instant. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Right, so that's it. We've got instant for both of them. So now we'll try that again and show you what happens now. That didn't bounce in. The background did, but the TV didn't. Right. That goes all the way to the end, back out like that, then it goes off at the end. That's it. That's fine. We can also take the living room and stop that from bouncing by taking off entrance. So when it comes on, it'll come on straight. I'll show you. See, like that. You don't need the bouncing and bounce out all the while, but if you want to do it, you can do it. But so you pick your video will come in there, right? I'll show you that in a sec. That's okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to export that. Just export it. Once it's exported, I'm going to click on this thing here, which is Power Director, which is my video editor I use besides my Valve. I use 2 different type of editors. There's a reason why I use 2 different ones, because the one works better with one thing and the other works better with something different. So you know, you have to do that sometimes, especially if you're doing lots of different videos like I do. So right, just wait for this. Won't take long. Right, if you do like this video tutorial, please like and subscribe to Toonly's Music, right, on YouTube, and hopefully it'll help you with what you want anyway. Right, be done in a sec. Right, it's nearly done now. Right, once that's done, I'm going to click on Power Director in a sec, bring that up, and click that on. Ready, it'll come on in a sec. Now just knock it down while I'll find out where this is. There you go. Go in folder. There's the folder. Now I just knock that off. Don't want that now, so click that off. It's got changes on there. There's Power Director already come on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that on there, like so. So there's your video. Just put it on number 2 on here, on the second timeline row, and then I'm going to get a video of my files, which I'm going to just do now. Let's try something, a nice picture. Hang on a minute, can't see them properly. Like that. Oh, that one. There you go. Right, get that one on. Now what you're doing is just going to put that one on number 1, like that. Do it again there. It's going to be slightly longer than that, so what I need to do is cut it down to make it match that. Like that. Right. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go over to this one, double click it, and it comes up with that. What you do then is you go to chroma key, you click on the dropper, click off, and there you go. Right, now when it comes up, you'll see what happens in a sec. I'll show you. Right, it's coming up, and you see, and it goes in, and you see a lovely picture of the video, what's going on, and then it goes off. Right, so according to how long you want it to last. Right, so if I do that on here, I'll show you from the start of this, and let's see how it works. There we go, that's a lovely picture there, isn't it? Works really well. You can adjust the green screens, you can add your own green screen and get the right size for the actual TV if you want to. I'm just going to show you how to do it, and that's how you do it anyway. All you need to do now is produce the actual video, and once you've done that, that's it. Now, I usually use H265, but most people use H264 ABC, but I've got that option there because that renders it with a lower memory usage, so it halves the memory usage on it, so but it's high quality as well, so that's why I use that. So there you go, watch this, zooms through, no problem at all, won't be long. Once I've done this, I'm going to show you again how it's worked. Alright, okay, so open file location, bring it up like that, so open that, and there you go. Okay, just a glitch there. Yeah, lovely. Great view, and back off. That's it. So according to how long you want it on for, that's it. That's how you do it. I hope this is useful to you, and hope you can join my subscribers list. Thank you for watching.